2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, leather, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.